Hello. Thank you for visiting Belmont Machinery Company's YouTube channel. Today we're going to demonstrate for you a 76-inch by 120-inch Monarch lathe. This is an extremely rare machine, first I've ever seen with this capacity. You've got 76-inch swing, 76-inch swing over your bedways, 50-inch over your cross slide, 120-inch between centers. This is a very heavy-duty, well-built machine. Of course, it's a Monarch, 1958, wide bed, four-way rapid power rapid traverse. You've got a two-speed tailstock with a live quill, four-way tool post, a 50-inch diameter four-jaw faceplate with jaws, a two-axis Heidenhain digital readout, inch threading. Your speeds go from 5 to 250 RPM. You've got a 2 1/4 inch spindle through hole powered by a 30 horsepower 230 460 volt motor, currently wired for 460 volt. Doug, if you could zoom in on those hard ways there and show them how nice they really are. This machine is excellent. Let me go ahead and turn it on for you. You do have forward and reverse on your motor. You also do have a jog here at the headstock. Right now we're going to be running about 50 RPM. That's a smooth running headstock. You can see here we've got our feed shaft turning, which will enable us to do feeds on the carriage and cross slide. We've also got feed screw for threading, as well as the feed chart here. We're going to go through some feeds. This handle here engages your carriage feed, so we're feeding towards the chuck. You can also see it feed red on the DRO. Here I'll reverse the feed. Now we're feeding away from the chuck. Now I'm going to engage your cross slide feed. We're feeding the tool in. This is the power rapid traverse. So you take the same handle, just push it to the left to feed it to the left. Neutral, push it to the right to rapid to the right. We'll run it down a little so we can get a better view of the ways. Now I'm going to do rapid traverse on the cross slide. does have a 2-speed tailstock as mentioned earlier. Here's your high speed. Here's your low. I'm going to change the RPM. Go to something a little slower. This should be about 10 RPM. This concludes our demonstration of this fantastic, excellent condition 76-inch by 120-inch Monarch lathe. Very rare. We welcome your inspection anytime under power at our warehouse here in Aurora, Illinois, about an hour outside of Chicago. Thank you.